Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and today I want to show you how to put together a carburetor from the Briggs Stratton Troy-Bilt 6.5 HB wood chipper. The wood chipper that I have is discontinued, but what I heard is that the carburetor is the same thing on the new ones. So this one is an aftermarket because I couldn't find it. So I got this from eBay, and it's a little different than the one I have inside. But in order to put this in your on your wood chipper, you have to put some things together before it goes in. So when you get it, you're gonna get it like this with the gasket. You're gonna get it in the bag. You're gonna get it a few things like this. If you notice, this one has the metal piece inside that when you turn it, but when you notice in here, you don't have it. So you have to pick the right one of these metal pieces that goes inside. And this is one of the things you have to connect for this 6.5 HP wood chipper is this one. And the way to put it, you have this. This is part of the turning knob when you open the carburetor right here. So now, the way to do it, you have a hole there. You have this plastic, and then in this plastic you have like a little gap inside there, and that little gap, this right here is gonna go right inside. Then you have to push it in. You can't put it in now. You have to put it inside in here, and then turn it. Make sure you turn it. See how it's turned right there? Make sure it's turned all the way, because when you turn it, this is what it's going to do. It's going to close. You close it. And that's it. It is closed right in there. There you go. Make sure when you put it that it's faced that way. The gas notch is going to be over here, and this is going to go that way. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pick the correct side, and you're going to take this metal piece, and you're going to push it right in the middle inside. See it? You just push it in. Make sure it's in the middle. Let's see if it's correct. If you got it, and all you do is turn your knob just to see if you have it on the correct side. You got to make sure that it goes in straight in the bottom. What was happening is when I put it in, I put it more of the top in, and the bottom was sticking out. So when I was turning this, it was not going in. But once I put it even all around there, you see it? Make sure that it's even. Now it closes right in. So now that you have put everything together, that is turning properly, you're going to take your old notch, the old choke notch, and put it in there. You see how it has the gaps in there? All you're going to do is just press it in, right in, and this is how you choke and unchoke it. So there you go. You have put your carburetor on your Briggs Stratton Troy-Bilt 6.5 HB wood chipper. Now, this one right here, you can save this here. This one was a little thinner, so that's why I didn't use it. I used the same method that is in my old carburetor right in there. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.